Ever wondered how the entire roofing process works? Well, it's more than just nailing down some shingles on top of your house. It's a meticulous dance involving preparation, precise measurements, and skilled craftsmanship. The process begins with a thorough roof inspection, where a professional assesses the current state of your roof, checking for wear and tear, leaks, and structural issues. Then comes the selection of materials, which can range from asphalt shingles to metal roofing or even tiles. Once the old roofing is safely removed, it's time to lay down the underlayment and water barriers, forming the first line of defense against the elements. Then, the new shingles or roofing material are laid meticulously in rows. With the main roofing complete, roof features like vents, flashing, and gutters are installed. Once everything is in place, a final inspection ensures all is up to standard, followed by a thorough cleanup. Stay tuned as we peel back the layers of this intricate process. Step 1 in the process is the roof inspection. This step is akin to a doctor's checkup, but for your house. It's essential to identify the current state of the roof and uncover any potential issues that could complicate the roofing process. A professional roofer will thoroughly examine your existing roof, looking for signs of wear and tear, spotting leaks, and assessing for any structural concerns. They'll check the shingles, the flashing around chimneys and vents, and the quality of your roof's underlayment. This stage is not just about determining if your roof needs new shingles. It's a comprehensive check to ensure your roof can protect your home from elements like wind, rain, and snow. It's all about planning, foreseeing issues, and ensuring a smooth process for the rest of the project. Once the inspection is done, it's time to choose the materials. But remember, a well-done inspection can make or break the success of the entire roofing process. The next step is choosing the right materials for your roof. This is a critical decision as it impacts not only the longevity of your roof, but also the aesthetics of your home. There's a vast array of options out there, each with its own set of advantages and drawbacks. If you're on a budget, asphalt shingles might be the way to go. They're cost-effective and easy to install. For a more durable and fire-resistant option, you might consider metal roofing. And for those who value aesthetics, tiles offer a classic, timeless look. Your choice should also factor in the climate of your area. Some materials fare better in harsh weather conditions than others. For instance, metal roofing is great for areas with heavy snowfall, while clay tiles work well in hot and dry climates. With the right materials chosen, it's time to get our hands dirty. Now, it's time to remove the old roofing. This step might seem daunting, but it's a crucial part of the process. The removal of the old roofing material, be it shingles, tiles, or metal, involves careful stripping to ensure nothing is left behind. It's not just about tearing off the old materials, but also about examining the roof deck underneath for any signs of damage. Safety is paramount during this phase. It's important to use sturdy ladders, wear protective gear, and ensure the working area is clear of any objects that could cause accidents. Old roofing materials can be heavy, sharp, and dangerous, so handling them with care is a must. Once the old roofing is fully removed, the roof deck is inspected once again. It's the perfect opportunity to spot any previously hidden issues. With the old roofing out of the way, we can start installing the new one. Step 4 is all about installing the underlayment and water barriers. These components are the unsung heroes of a well-constructed roof. They provide an essential line of defense, preventing water from seeping into your home. Think of them as the raincoat for your house. The underlayment, a protective layer that sits directly on your roof's decking, is the first up. It's typically made from a synthetic material which is rolled out across the entire expanse of the roof. The key here is to ensure a smooth and secure fit, with no wrinkles or bubbles that could trap moisture or allow for leaks. Next comes the water barrier. This is a self-adhesive material applied on top of the underlayment around the most vulnerable areas of your roof. The eaves, valleys, and any penetrations such as vents or skylights. Once the underlayment and water barriers are in place, we can start laying the new shingles or roofing material. Now comes the exciting part. Laying the new shingles or roofing material. This is the moment when you really begin to see your roof take shape, transforming from a bare structure to a protective shield for your home. The process is meticulous, requiring precision and a keen eye for detail. Starting from the bottom edge of your roof, the new shingles or chosen roofing material are carefully laid out in rows. This is done in an overlapping manner, with each row covering the top part of the row beneath it. This pattern is crucial as it allows rainwater to flow down the roof without seeping through the shingles and causing water damage. The material is secured firmly to the roof deck, ensuring it stays in place regardless of the weather conditions. This process continues row by row until the entire roof is covered, transforming your home's look and enhancing its protection against the elements. With the new material in place, it's time to install the roof features. Step 6 involves installing the essential roof features. These components may seem small, but they play a vital role in the overall function and longevity of your roof. Vents, for instance, are crucial for maintaining proper attic ventilation, preventing moisture buildup and heat accumulation. Without them, you're looking at potential mold issues and a shorter roof lifespan. Next up, we have flashing. These thin pieces of metal are your roof's knight in shining armor, defending against water seepage. They're strategically installed around roof features like chimneys and vents, providing a watertight seal where it's most vulnerable. Lastly, we have gutters. Think of them as the highway system for rainwater on your roof. They efficiently guide water away from your home, preventing issues like water damage and foundation erosion. Installation of these features requires precision and know-how, ensuring they work together seamlessly to protect your home. Once all the features are installed, it's time for the final inspection and cleanup. We're almost done. Now it's time for the final inspection and cleanup. This is where the rubber meets the road, or rather, the shingle meets the sheathing. The final inspection is all about making sure the new roof is up to snuff. It's a thorough examination, checking that the installation meets industry standards and the roof is watertight and structurally sound. This is also the time to ensure that all roof features have been installed correctly, from vents and flashing to gutters. But that's not all. We also need to clean up the site. Roofing can be a messy business, with stray nails, bits of shingle, and other debris. The cleanup crew sweeps the site, picking up waste materials and leaving your property looking as good as new. It's all part of our commitment to leaving you with not just a new roof, but a clean and safe home. Now that the roof is installed and the site is clean, let's talk about maintenance. Maintenance is key to extending the life of your roof. Regular inspections are essential, preferably once in the spring and once in the fall. During these inspections, look for cracked, warped, or missing shingles, rust spots on flashing, moss or lichen growth, and any other signs of wear and tear. Keep your roof clean. A buildup of leaves and other debris can trap moisture and cause rot, mold, or algae growth. Use a long-handled broom or leaf blower to remove debris, but be careful not to damage the roofing material. Keep your gutters clean too. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and damage your roof, walls, and foundation. Periodically, check for loose or damaged gutters and downspouts and repair them as necessary. Trim overhanging branches. They can drop leaves, causing moisture and decay, and even fall on your roof during a storm. By following these maintenance tips, you can enjoy a durable and long-lasting roof. And that's a wrap on the roofing process. We've journeyed from the initial roof inspection through the meticulous selection of materials, the careful removal of old roofing, the installation of underlayment and water barriers, all the way to the final inspection and cleanup. Not forgetting, of course, the all-important maintenance tips to keep your roof in top condition for years to come. Roofing is a complex task, but armed with the right knowledge and a touch of DIY spirit, it can be a rewarding endeavor. This video has provided you a comprehensive guide to understand the steps involved in a successful roofing project. Remember, every home is unique and requires its own specific approach. So keep learning, keep improving, and keep making your home the best it can be. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications. Until next time.